Warren Buffett's failures, 5 investment mistakes he regrets. Warren Buffett is widely considered one of history's greatest successful investors. However, even the greatest investors make mistakes, as Buffett is ready to acknowledge. The stories of Buffett's worst investment mistakes may be found in his renowned yearly letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. Buffett's decades of investment experts have taught him a lot. Here's a look at 5 of Warren Buffett's worst mistakes. The 5th one will definitely surprise you, so don't miss out on anything. Welcome to Wise Touch, the inspiration hub for ambitious future billionaires. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. Let's get started. 1. March 2020. In March 2020, the stock market began to fall as fears about COVID-19 spread across the country and schools and businesses closed. The Standard & Poor's 500 indexes eventually lost almost 34% from its prior all-time high. Smart investors were able to purchase equities at steep discounts as the market hit its lows. Buffett, however, was not one of them, and his attempt to time the market failed. He now regrets not stockpiling at the time. Buffett addressed the audience at the company's annual shareholder meeting in April. "I utterly lost the chance. I really messed up in March 2020. 2. Amazon. Sometimes it's not the investments you make that get you into trouble, but the ones you don't. Amazon was one of the firms in which Buffett did not invest. In 2017, he commented, "Obviously, I should have purchased it years ago, since I had long liked it. But as I moved along, I was unable to grasp the model's potential." Additionally, the pricing always appeared to be a better reflection of the model's strength at the time. So it's one I really missed. 3. ConocoPhillips. Due to increasing gas and oil prices in 2008, Buffett bought shares of ConocoPhillips to his Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. Oil peaked around $150 per barrel in mid-2008, so it might be clear why Buffett believed investing in the sector was a smart idea. But when prices dropped, the stock market declined alongside the price of oil. In 2009, Buffett stated, "I purchased a significant amount of ConocoPhillips shares at a time when oil and gas prices were almost at their top. I in no way foresaw the sharp decline in energy costs that took place in the second part of the year." He said that Berkshire Hathaway ended up losing several billion dollars as a result of the timing of his purchase. 4. Google. Warren Buffett's portfolio does not include Google shares, which he regrets. He reminded investors at the 2017 Berkshire Hathaway annual shareholders meeting that he made a mistake by not acquiring shares in the tech giant years ago, when it was earning $10 per click from Geico, Berkshire's fully owned subsidiary. In the past, Buffett avoided investing in tech businesses because he didn't understand their business concepts. Nevertheless, he said that given that he essentially served as a client of the Google ad company, he should have understood them. 5. Berkshire Hathaway. It might come as a surprise, but Buffett said in 2010 that Berkshire Hathaway was the worst investment he had ever made. The textile industry had been in decline for a while when he started buying the stock in 1962. Buffett kept acquiring stock and expanding his ownership of Berkshire Hathaway. A few years later, a manager from Berkshire approached Buffett with a proposal to purchase the latter's shares. Buffett would sell his stake at a certain price, which the two decided upon. But after receiving a formal bid, Buffett discovered that the management had reneged on the previous price and was now attempting to acquire Buffett's shares for a somewhat lower price. "He chiseled me," Buffett recalled. The angry Oracle of Omaha exacted vengeance by acquiring control of the firm and dismissing the manager. "The reality is that I had now committed a considerable sum of money to a useless company," he explained. "And Berkshire Hathaway laid the groundwork for almost everything I've done since," he says. He projected a $200 billion loss as a result of his decision to acquire Berkshire Hathaway, which struggled for years, carrying this anchor of all these textile assets, as Buffett described it. In conclusion, Warren Buffett, like all of us, is a human being, and he's made his share of errors. In this video, we looked at 5 of Buffett's worst mistakes. Hopefully, you learned something new as a result of this experience. and you'll want to avoid making similar mistakes in your financial journey. Thanks for watching.